United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 165. The Legal and Technical Commission. 1. Members of the Legal and Technical Commission shall have appropriate qualifications, such as those relevant to exploration for an exploitation and processing of mineral resources, oceanology, protection of the marine environment, or economic or legal matters relating to ocean mining and related fields of expertise. The Council shall endeavour to ensure that the membership of the Commission reflects all appropriate qualifications. 2. The Commission shall a. Make recommendations with regard to the exercise of the authority's functions upon the request of the Council. b. Review formal written plans of work for activities in the area in accordance with Article 153, Paragraph 3, and submit appropriate recommendations to the Council. The Commission shall base its recommendations solely on the grounds stated in Annex III, and shall report fully thereon to the Council. c. Supervise, upon the request of the Council, activities in the area, where appropriate, in consultation and collaboration with any entity carrying out such activities, or states concerned, and report to the Council. d. Prepare assessments of the environmental implications of activities in the area. e. Make recommendations to the Council on the protection of the marine environment, taking into account the views of recognized experts in that field. f. Formulate and submit to the Council the rules, regulations and procedures referred to in Article 162, Paragraph 2(o), taking into account all relevant factors, including assessments of the environmental implications of activities in the area. g. Keep such rules, regulations and procedures under review and recommend to the Council from time to time such amendments thereto, as it may deem necessary or desirable. h. Make recommendations to the Council regarding the establishment of a monitoring program to observe, measure, evaluate and analyze, by recognized scientific methods, on a regular basis, the risks or effects of pollution of the marine environment resulting from activities in the area. Ensure that existing regulations are adequate and are complied with, and coordinate the implementation of the monitoring program approved by the Council. I recommend to the Council that proceedings be instituted on behalf of the authority before the Seabed Disputes Chamber. In accordance with this part, and the relevant annexes, taking into account particularly Article 187, j. Make recommendations to the Council with respect to measures to be taken, upon a decision by the Seabed Disputes Chamber in proceedings instituted in accordance with subparagraph I. k. Make recommendations to the Council to issue emergency orders, which may include orders for the suspension or adjustment of operations, to prevent serious harm to the marine environment arising out of activities in the area. Such recommendations shall be taken up by the Council on a priority basis. l. Make recommendations to the Council to disapprove areas for exploitation by contractors or the enterprise in cases where substantial evidence indicates the risk of serious harm to the marine environment. m. Make recommendations to the Council regarding the direction and supervision of a staff of inspectors, who shall inspect activities in the area to determine whether the provisions of this part, the rules, regulations and procedures of the authority, and the terms and conditions of any contract with the authority are being complied with. n. Calculate the production ceiling and issue production authorizations on behalf of the authority pursuant to Article 151, paragraphs 2 to 7, following any necessary selection among applicants for production authorizations by the Council in accordance with Annex III, Article 7. 3. The members of the Commission shall, upon request by any state party or other party concerned, be accompanied by a representative of such state or other party concerned when carrying out their function of supervision and inspection.